Today is, damn it, 24th March. 24th March 2024. 240324. Okay. Anyway, today we have a Stargek race. Asia Challenge Stargek race. Done at Stargek lah. And now I'm on the way. Yeah. Quite a short trek. Around 80 meters, I guess. Quite a fast layout. But later I will show you what's the layout like. Right. Now at Stargek. No testing. That's okay. Gonna see the layout. So this is the layout for today. Yeah, we're starting straight and short jump and double up and double down and small bang and changer and jump through here, chicken on one, and then a short AB and then back to the starting line. Okay, so we're gonna wait for the race to start soon. Then we're gonna start racing. Right. See you in the action later. Bye.
There's no mercy in this world, just hunger-thirsty persons in different versions. Each new update, that shit worsens. Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different burners. We know that different burdens that all seem to cause us furthers. Do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't let the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a home to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. Put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give. Don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get on the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, but I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit. Every day, I'll be writing things until I'm fucking buried in my grave. One more thing, I'm writing about the cause. My messages are honest, I'm the one I just stay until I'm ready to the circle. Yeah, I have to see it. I don't really care what you think of me. shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks, I'll live what I want to. 'Cause I don't give a fuck what you say. I'ma do shit my way. So you can go kick rocks, I'ma stack bricks, I'll live what I want to. lives just like a test. If only I could go back in time, I'd tell myself that everything will end up alright. Just push yourself, test yourself, figure out what you like. Find your name and start to digit, always work towards the climb. Surround yourself with open minds, go out and change your life. A little friends with intent can help you feel alive. Find a passion, take some action, and with a little time, just be patient, make a statement, try to enjoy your life. They try to kick you while you're down. They wanna rise up while you drown. They wanna fill your head with doubt. They're silently scared that you'll figure it out. I'm at the end like a loser.